Tired of mopping floors the old way or pushing dirty water around and never getting that truly clean finish? Let's take a look at the Dyson WashG1, a wet cleaner designed to completely change how you clean hard floors. First, what makes it different? Unlike traditional mops, the WashG1 uses a dedicated wet cleaning system that actively separates clean and dirty water. So instead of spreading dirt, it actually removes it. And you can see the difference immediately. Now, let's talk about performance. This cleaner is built for hard floors, tiles, laminate, hardwood, delivering a consistent, streak-free finish. Sticky spills, dried dirt, everyday mess that handles it all smoothly. And the best part? It glides effortlessly. No heavy pushing. No messy buckets. No hassle. Now, let's talk about hygiene. The system continuously refreshes the cleaning rollers with clean water while capturing dirty water separately. That means every pass is truly clean, not just moving dirt around. And once you're done, the cleaning process is just as simple. Emptying the tank is quick, and the system is designed to be low maintenance. Now, let's talk about real-life use. This is perfect for busy homes, pet owners, or anyone who wants faster, more effective cleaning. Instead of spending time scrubbing, you simply move once and it's done. So, is it worth it? If you want a smarter, more hygienic way to clean your floors, the Dyson WashG1 is a serious upgrade. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if you're ready to leave traditional mopping behind, this might be exactly what you need.